Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes error 0x800700CE fix cannot copy or move file name too long. First method is file and folder troubleshooting. Second method is edit group policy. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.